In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make and post anonymously on any Facebook groups out there. So first of all, what you need to have open is Facebook and find your group that you want to post in. Then from here, you need to go up to write something. Right under there's something called anonymous post. You need to click on anonymous post. And as you can see, this page will pop up and will just tell you what anonymous post really means. I know mine is in Danish right now, but yours will probably be in your own language. Just click make anonymous post right here. And as you can see, my profile picture has been censored out and my name. And then I can just write something, and then you can go down here and you can make a GIF or something like that, emoji, and you can click send in. Then an admin needs to go in and check if everything is okay, and then he or she will approve your post, and then your post will be posted onto that specific group. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!